Hey guys, I hope you all are fine. You all are welcome to see ShopNon website review. In this video, you all will get to know that whether the website is legit or it is a scam. Guys, this is not our website, so the review is totally unbiased. So, let's have the quick review of this homepage. So guys, this is their homepage and these all are their product. So let's check it out, their one product guys. So basically this is baby folding bathtub bathroom accessories and which cost $108.56, and there is some description for this product and there are more collections. Okay guys, let's check it out, the menu section. So there is an option for inflatable and portable bathtub, so you can check it out from here. Also guys, there is an option for login. So if you have an account for this website, so you can easily log in by using your username and password, and if you don't have your account for this website, so you will have to create it. Okay guys, let's check it out, the other reviews. So let's check it out, the about us page. Okay, so this is the about us page guys, and they had described about their website. Also they have mentioned their calling number and the contact person, but guys, as you all can see that the information is very less. Let's check it out, their contact us page. So this is their contact us page, and in this they have provided their email ID, calling number, contact person and the office address. But guys, this address is fake as I searched on the Google map. Also guys, if you have any query, so you can fill your name, email address, comment you want to do and send it to them. Let's check it out, their shipping policy. So this is their shipping policy page guys, and they ship the product within 7 to 10 business days as they have mentioned that. Let's check it out, their return policy page guys. So this is their return policy page, and they have mentioned their email ID, calling number and the return address for the return purpose. Let's check it out, their privacy policy page. So this is their privacy policy page guys, and they have described all their privacy possibility for their website. Guys, do share your comment in the comment box below. Let's check it out, their terms of services page. So this is their terms and condition page guys, and they have described all their terms and condition for their website. Okay guys, so in the last they have mentioned their email ID, calling number, contact person and the address. So let's go to the home page. Okay guys, so according to me, this website is possibly scam as there are no Google reviews for it. Also guys, the address is fake. There is an apartment on this address, not their office. So as per my concern, replacing and purchasing order from this website is not relevant. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you want to escape from the scam website, so subscribe to this channel. Do share your comment in the comment box below. Share your experience with this website. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.